All right, we are starting out with some clouds overhead. The pretty colors are kind of muted right now. We did have a lot of beautiful purples earlier. That dew point, we are in the soupy 60s, so you walk out and you could drink the air. 72 degrees, very mild. Don't need the jacket this morning. These 60s, they're here for one more morning. They will drain out through the overnight hours, much more comfortable tomorrow. But for now, it's kind of like what you stepped out to yesterday. Upper 60s, low 70s, but this time the wind is much more quiet than it was yesterday. Yesterday was about 10 to 15. Not so much this morning. We do just have a little complex down to our south, which is just bubbling up some rain over that border. But we have two cold fronts. These are going to come together and work their way into western Iowa later on this afternoon. But for now, we're just watching the clouds casting over into the state and some light returns Lamoni. Only 1/100 of an inch of rain. A lot of this is not reaching the surface, so it looks a little bit worse than it is. Today's planner will be into those 70s and quickly into those 80s this afternoon. A little bit cooler off to the east because of that thick cloud cover. By this evening, we're going to see that line of showers and storms move through the area. Could be strong to severe. Level 2 risk across the area. We could see up to 1.5 inch diameter hail. That's mainly for our western counties when these storms initiate. Then those 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts along and east of I-35 has the best bet of seeing that as it forms into a line. So as we play this out, there could be some isolated showers and thunderstorms off to the east through the midday hours. But as we go into the evening, we're going to see 4 or 5 p.m. those storms develop off to the west. They meet along I-35 between 6, 7, 8 o'clock, but then they do push out of our area between 9 and 10. So as you see those little bowing, that's where we'll see those speedier wind gusts pick up. And behind it, look at that, all nice and clear. And that is when that humidity is going to drain out. Temperatures are going to go into the 50s. So a cooler start to your Wednesday. Sunshine will rule the day, but a weaker front is going to drop through during the evening hours. Mainly just some passing clouds. There could be some sprinkles, but it's going to be so dry at the surface. A lot of it likely will not touch the ground. We're talking less than 1 inch of rain. Most areas seeing less than 1/2 inch with those storms moving on tonight. As we look into the afternoon, we'll see those showers and thunderstorms coming on through. 87 muggy degrees tonight. Clearing skies after 10 p.m. We'll see 58 as we get going tomorrow. And your 10-day forecast, it will still be a warm one tomorrow, but it won't be muggy. Temperatures finally start to settle down as we get into Thursday, Friday. It's going to be a beautiful end of the week.